All right, number 13. Remember that f of x is the same thing as y. It says use the table to answer each part. The first part is writing a function. So when I write a function, I need the slope. In order to get the slope, I need at least 2 points. So if I want to use points that are mostly positive, I'm going to use these points just because they're mostly positive, and I know you guys hate negative numbers, right? So these are my values. This is the first point, this is the second point. So I'm going to find my slope. My slope, I do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So negative 5 minus, I wrote the wrong number, negative 5 minus 7 over 10 minus 2. So negative 12 over 8. And then I need to simplify. So if I simplify, that's going to be negative 3/2. That's my slope. I'm trying to make it look like this. So I need to do more steps. So I like to go to point slope next. And I'm going to use positive values. So y minus 7 is equal to negative 3/2 times x minus 2. I'm going to distribute. When I distribute here, this is negative times positive, so it becomes negative times negative, so it becomes a positive, and when I multiply, it's going to give me positive 3. My next step is to get y by itself, so I'm going to add 7 to both sides. When I add 7 to both sides, I get negative 3/2 x plus 10. This is in the correct format. Next one says, what is the value of f of negative 20? This is an x value. So I'm going to plug in negative 20 for my x. When I multiply here, negative times negative is going to give me a positive. This is going to give me 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. So my answer is 40. For which value of x does f of x equal negative 50? Remember, f of x is the same thing as y. So this is saying y is negative 50. So negative 50 equals negative 3/2 x plus 10. I need to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides. And then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3/2. So I believe that's 40, but let me double check on my calculator. Yep. So my x value is 40.